Hi, I'm Ty with WTI, and I want to show you my very comfortable pillows. I got these pillows for my guest bedroom, but I actually ended up buying an extra set for my own bedroom because they were so comfortable. What I love about these pillows is that it feels so soft and squishy and plush, and it's just so comfortable to lay on. However, it's not so squishy that it doesn't support my neck, my head and neck. So I love these pillows. I think they're the perfect amount of softness, and I think that they are very high quality. I'm gonna show you up close what the fabric looks like. So really nice fabric, very smooth and very high quality. I think they're great, and I would definitely recommend them. And that's my point of view.